If you're looking to customize proof pop-ups for your site, you've come to the right place. In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to make your proof pop-ups work for you, grabbing attention and driving conversions. Whether you're new to the software or just want a refresher, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to take your pop-up game to the next level. First off, let's define what a proof pop-up is. These are the little notifications that appear on your site, showing real-time activity such as purchases, sign-ups, or any other form of engagement to build trust with your visitors. It's a powerful tool for social proof. The best part? You can fully customize them to fit the look and feel of your website. The first step is selecting the right software for the job. Lucky for you, I'm talking about a tool that allows you to easily set up and customize proof pop-ups without any technical hassle. You can actually try this software completely free using the link below, along with some exclusive bonuses. So, if you've been hesitant about investing in proof pop-ups, this is your chance to dive in and see the results for yourself. Now, let's jump into the customization process. When you first log into the software, you'll be greeted with a dashboard that allows you to choose from a variety of pre-built pop-up templates. These are designed for different purposes, such as increasing sales, driving signups, or creating urgency. However, what sets this tool apart is how easy it is to tweak and personalize each template. You can customize the text in your pop-up to reflect whatever message you want to share. Maybe it's showcasing the number of purchases made, recent reviews, or even specific product recommendations. The key here is to make the pop-up align with your site's voice and message. A personalized message increases credibility and can push visitors to take action faster. The design options in this software are highly flexible. You can adjust the color scheme to match your branding, change fonts, and even add your logo. This ensures the pop-ups aren't jarring to your visitors, but rather blend seamlessly with the rest of your site. After all, pop-ups should complement the user experience, not disrupt it. Another crucial customization is the timing and placement of the pop-ups. You don't want them popping up at random or at an intrusive time. This software lets you choose when and where the pop-up appears. You can set it to trigger based on certain actions, like when a user clicks on a specific page, scrolls to a certain point, or even when they're about to leave the site. This level of control allows you to capture the right attention at the right moment. You can also experiment with different pop-up types, like those that appear at the bottom of the screen or ones that slide in from the side. These offer a subtle approach without interrupting the browsing experience. Once you've customized your pop-up design, don't forget to track its performance. The software provides detailed analytics, so you can see how effective your pop-ups are at driving conversions, reducing cart abandonment, or whatever goal you set out to achieve. These insights will help you fine-tune your pop-ups for even better results. Finally, if you want to step things up, you can add an element of urgency or scarcity to your pop-ups. For example, showing a limited number of available items or a countdown timer to encourage immediate action. This can push hesitant visitors to make a purchase or sign up. All in all, customizing proof pop-ups for your site isn't just about aesthetics. It's about making your website more engaging and converting visitors into loyal customers. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create pop-ups that stand out, build trust, and ultimately boost your conversions. Remember, you can start using this software completely free through the link below and take advantage of the extended free trial so you can start seeing results with no commitment. Don't miss out on the chance to give your site the extra edge it needs. So, to recap, customize your pop-ups with the right message, design, timing, and urgency for maximum impact. Try the software now and see the difference for yourself.